how to transfer your Brawl Star account to a new device. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do so. So without any delay, let's just get started with the video. So before transferring, you must link your Brawl Star accounts to a Supercell ID on your old device. So open up your old device and open up Brawl Stars on your old device. And once you are there, you can go ahead and tap on the menu at the top right. And from there, just go ahead and log into your Supercell ID. Tap on Supercell ID. And if not connected, you can just go ahead and connect yourself and you will be finding your Supercell ID within Brawl Stars. And you will receive a verification code. Enter it to confirm. Now, what you need to do next is on your new device also, just go ahead and install the Brawl Stars and go ahead and launch the game and it may load a new account. Now on the main screen of Brawl Stars, just go ahead and tap on the menu at the top right again. And from there, just go ahead and tap on Supercell ID. And once you are there, when you go over there, you can go to the login page and there you can basically use the same ID that you used. So you can tap on login with Supercell ID, tap on continue. And once you do so, you need to enter up your email. Just go ahead and enter up the same email that you used on your old device. Once it is done, you need to confirm by entering the verification code sent to email. And then your Brawl Stars old account will now load on the new device, including all your brawlers, trophies, and your purchases. If you play on multiple devices, you can log in into the same Supercell ID on both, and your progress stays synced as long as both are connected. And that is it. If you're switching your account or transferring your account to a new device, you do not need to follow any process. You may basically go ahead and log in with the same email address, Supercell ID account, and that will log in you into it. So that is it for today's video. You may follow up this process. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.